morning children. How are you all? Now we'll do previous recap, quick recap of the lesson. What we have discussed about the topic, isn't it? We have discussed about from where do we get food, from the plants and animals. We get the food. Why do we need food? To get energy. We have discussed about the methods of food preparation. We have discussed about the ingredients we use to prepare the food, isn't it? What are the ingredients? Ingredients play a very important role to cook the food, to prepare the food, isn't it? From where do we get these ingredients? We get from plants and animals. Okay? Already we have discussed. Methods of preparation also we discussed. Boiling, steaming, roasting, fermentation, deep frying. Already we have discussed about the preparation of the food. Now here we will see the plant parts that we eat. We eat the different parts of the plant also, like root, stem, leaves, flower, seeds and fruits. We eat different parts of the plants like root, stem, leaves, flowers, seeds and fruit. So here root, examples of the root modification: carrot, we eat carrot, beetroot, radish. All these are the examples of roots, underground tubers we eat. Why we eat? Because here see the shape of these roots modification, they bulges out. Why the shape is bulges out? Because of the extra food is there in these roots. Extra food is stored in the food. That's why the shape will be bulged out. Beetroot. Beetroot. This bulged out structure, the extra food is stored in this roots, so the shape will be. This is a function of the root, extra function of the root. The roots stores even the food material. So we eat the root also in our diet. Now coming to stem, we eat even the stem part also, like potato, sugarcane, onion, ginger, garlic, turmeric. All these are the examples of stem modification. We eat even the stem part of the plant, isn't it? Next coming to flower. We eat the flower part sparingly we eat. That is cauliflower.
Leaves.
Cauliflower. We eat cauliflower. Seeds. We eat many seeds.
Leaves. Leaves covered.
Leaves. Sorry. Leaves, spinach, all leafy vegetables, cabbage, all leafy vegetables are examples of leaves which we eat in our food. Okay? Cauliflower, we eat cauliflower. Now next, seeds, we eat all the cereals, grains, pulses, or peas, beans, all the green peas, beans, all these are the mustard, cumin, all these are fenugreek. These are the examples of seeds. See, fenugreek, we eat both. Fenugreek, what is fenugreek? Is a methi. What you say in Telugu is menthulu. We eat leaves as well as seed. different seeds also. Fruits, drumstick, tomato, example, tomato, brinjal, all these are mango, apples. These are the examples of fruits which we eat, isn't it? Now the question is, in your village, what are the plants grows and which part of the plant you take it in your food? This is your question. In assignment, you have to write what are the plants grows in your village. Isn't it? Agricultural fields will be there. You will see, or it's not compulsory that you will have the agricultural fields. Isn't it? What are the plants grows and which part is edible part, you have to mention. This is your assessment, remember. Okay? So this is about the plant parts which we eat. Isn't it? Next coming to how people develop food habits. The food habits of the people depends upon the region where they are living. Where they are living. Now we are in Telangana state. In Telangana, our main food is paddy. Why paddy? We eat rice, apart with rice products also we take, isn't it? Idli, dosa, etc. Whatever rice, with rice will be made. So why we use rice product? Apart from paddy, other crops also will be grown, but our food, main food is rice only. Why? Because the geographical and climatic conditions are suitable to grow rice. Understood? Now, if you go to northern side, Rajasthan or other states in north, they eat more jawar, bajra, roti, jawar roti, or wheat chapatis. They eat more, and they will not simply make with these wheat chapatis. Varieties of chapatis you will get there. Aloo paratha, methi paratha, palak paratha, paneer paratha. Varieties of chapatis you will get. Why? Because that climatic conditions are suitable to grow wheat there more. So they eat more wheat chapatis there, wheat chapatis more. So this how people develop food habits. Now tasty food. You see, everyone will say that food is tasty. Suppose if you don't add salt, you will get taste. No, we need little salt, but need. Salt gives you taste. Apart from salt, ingredients also very important to prepare any food item to get a taste. Your taste, the food item taste, your food item taste depends upon the ingredients. You get the taste because of ingredients what you are using, isn't it? What you are using. Say for example, I will give you the example, khichdi. Khichdi, you are making the khichdi with rice. What are the ingredients to make khichdi? Rice we use, depends, pulses we use, or vegetables we use, condiments we use. Dry fruits also you can use, depends upon the availability of the ingredients we use to make khichdi. Isn't it? Apart from this, ghee or oil also, salt is needed, chili, green chilies or red chilies, depends upon your taste. So these are the ingredients required to prepare the khichdi. So if what are condiments? Spices, cloves, cinnamon, elaichi, dalchini. That is, cinnamon is a dalchini only. Bay leaves, biryani leaves, isn't it? Black pepper, these are come under condiments. Dry fruits, cashew there, pistachios there. Dry resins are there, isn't it? Almonds, walnuts, all these are the examples of dry fruits. You can use even the dry fruits also. So your taste of the food depends upon the type of ingredients. Okay, fine children. Now next coming to preservation of the food. Preservation of the food. is preserved. How the food is preserved? Preservation. Preservation means storing the food for a longer time without spoiling. It's called preservation. Farmers, after harvesting, they dry the grains. Why? Because moisture plays important role to spoil the food. Isn't it? Moisture means water content will be present. Isn't it? It is a plant product. Definitely water will be present. Isn't it? So they will dry up. Then they sealed in the bags. At home also with your mother or your father, they preserve the food. Rice, pulses, 1 year they bring. Isn't it? They dry it and they keep it in the sealed containers or gunny bags. In the same way, at home also pickles. We preserve the pickles for a longer time. Isn't it? Now how we preserve the pickles for a more time? Or curries. If we keep the curries for 2 days, it will spoil. Why not a pickles? Because we are adding the preservatives to preserve the pickles. What are the preservatives? We use salt, oil, chili powder, turmeric. Isn't it? These are the preservatives we add in the pickles. Any pickle, vegetables pickle or lemon pickle or mango pickle. See, these are sour in taste. Mango is sour in taste, lemon is sour in taste. Vegetables, we add vinegar or lemon juice, isn't it, to get a sour taste. So for this, we have to add more salt. The salt prevent the pickles from spoiling. So salt is a best preservative, salt and oil, for keeping the pickles for a longer time. Why not curries? Because in the curries water will be there, and salt we are not using that much salt, only with the taste we are adding the salt. That's why it will spoil. This is the main difference with the curries and the pickles. Apart from this, drying method we use, salting method we use, sugar also we use. Drying method, now in coastal areas, seafood will be available more there, fishes, prawns. What they will do, they mix up the salting method they use. They apply the salt and they dry it up in the sunlight. Smoking method. So, drying method also we use, isn't it? And jams, jellies, juices also we preserved with the sugar, isn't it? Sugar we use, sugar syrup we use, sugar syrup and honey also best preservatives. Okay? So these are the methods of food preservation. These are the methods of food preservation. Now we'll say that many children, what they will say, I don't like this curry, I don't like that curry, but everyone should have all the vegetables in their food. Everyone should take all the vegetables to keep strong, healthy and energetic. Okay. Now here preservation, I will show you this. So preservation, now you get it from the market also. Packets you get from the market. You get from the market, these packets you get, food packets you get, and pudis you will get it, karam pudi or whatever idli pudi, you get from the market. So what happens, sometimes in the juices or other food items, they add some harmful preservatives. they add some harmful preservatives. So before buying the food packet, you have to read the ingredients. You have to read the ingredients, you have to read, and manufacturing date you have to see. Here see 2019 is given here, and that's date of year best before 9 months is given. So already the time is over. You have to throw it out. It is not at all useful to use in your food. So if you use out of date food item, it will damage your health. So you have to read this information when you are buying the food item. Understood? And this is your activity also. Take any food packet, cut this information and paste it in the classwork. Ingredients, date of manufacturing and date of expiry. Expiry means outdated. When the date is, manufacturing date will be completed, or when the date of this, till what date we have to use, that you have to see. That is very, very important, otherwise food poisoning or your health will be damaged if you take out of date packets. Next, coming to, this is a activity for you. Here, this is what you call it, carving. Vegetable carving, fruit carving you can make. Now you are getting full time at home. You are getting full time at home. Only we are taking some time only from your tight schedule, isn't it? So here, do these carvings, designery. It is an art. It is an art. You can use vegetables, you can use the fruit also for designing the vegetables, or you can use fruit also. This is what you call it, carving. Vegetable carving and fruit carving. You can use this, what do you say, brinjal. With brinjal you can make rat or bitter gourd, crocodiles you can make. So I am giving you hint. You can make this. Okay. Thank you, children.